A few days ago, I released my brand new beginner-friendly course, Tiny Spaces, where we build amazing worlds inside tiny containers. You can now get that course and one of my most popular courses, Isometric Spaces, in a 2-for-1 deal. Pick up the Blender Spaces bundle and use the promo code 241 at checkout. This deal won't be available for long, but now is a great time to pick up the bundle as I'm currently working on a brand new module for Isometric Spaces, which will be released this week, covering the creation of a wizard's workshop. Both of these courses are designed to be beginner accessible. As long as you know the basics of Blender, you'll have no problem following along, but there's plenty of content there also for more advanced users. Use the code 241 to get the bundle for the price of one course. Alternatively, you can pick up any of my standalone courses at a 35% discount using the code SAVE35 at checkout over at my Gumroad page.